SYTOXCAR.
The Nissan Murano has long been recognized for combining luxury with outstanding performance. In 2025, Nissan introduces the latest Murano, bringing elegant design, advanced technology, and robust performance, making it the top choice for premium SUV enthusiasts. The 2025 Nissan Murano captivates with its sleek and dynamic exterior. The signature V-motion grille, paired with sharp LED headlights, gives it a modern and aggressive look. Its aerodynamic silhouette and large alloy wheels enhance its strong sporty presence. Inside the Murano 2025, you'll find exceptional comfort with premium materials and a luxurious design. The large touchscreen on the dashboard provides easy access to various advanced features, including the latest infotainment system with full smartphone connectivity. Safety features like Prop Alert Assist and blind spot monitoring ensure optimal security. Powered by a V6 engine that delivers both power and efficiency, the 2025 Nissan Murano offers a smooth and responsive driving experience. The enhanced all-wheel drive AWD system provides optimal traction on various terrains, making it a reliable SUV for all conditions. The 2025 Nissan Murano, the perfect SUV for those seeking luxury, advanced technology, and reliable performance in one package. For more in-depth reviews, visit our YouTube channel, SYTOXCAR, and discover the latest innovations in the automotive world.